In this video, I will teach you how to find out what restarted your Windows server without yapping the Swedish way. Have you tried turning it off and on again? We are going to do this in a controlled environment. I am on my Windows Server 2025. We are going to download an app that is actually from the SysInternal tools in Windows. It's called NotMyFault. So if you search for that, go to the SysInternal's Microsoft Learn. Here we can see NotMyFault. And it's a tool to crash, hang, and cause memory leaks on your Windows system. Just press download. We can open the file. Let's extract it. And then we can just run the 64-bit version here. It looks like this. It's a very simple tool. If we now press the crash button, this VM will crash. There are some different types of crashes that you can choose from if you have a special type of crash that you want to simulate. I think this one is probably gonna crash it, so let's just push the crash button. There we go, a blue screen, and the VM will restart right now. Okay, let's log in again. And now we have this pop-up. Why did the computer shut down unexpectedly? It doesn't tell us. We can choose ourselves. Not much info here. So we can actually just comment, well, clueless, I have no idea. But we will find out. What we need to do is to check some logs and filter for some IDs. And we need to go to the event viewer. I will right click on the start menu, go to the event viewer. While this loads up, we're going to take a brief look on a Microsoft Learn article. So I will open a window. This is the article if you are curious and want to learn more. But I have gathered all the different event IDs from this article, which tells us why we unexpectedly got the reboots. But if you want to learn more, you can read this article. I will link it in the description of the video. Back to the event viewer, choose Windows Log. When we are in the System tab, we will go to Filter Current Log. Where it says all event IDs, we will paste in the string with all the different events, and it will tell us why the server rebooted. I will hit OK. Now we can see on the timestamp that, okay, the server probably rebooted 2109. So here we can see, yes, the system started at system time, and we can see the time. If we go to the next one, it says the shutdown was unexpected. So it wasn't a Windows update, or it wasn't the user restarting the server. Here we have some more info on the different event IDs. And here we can see on the event ID 41, it was rebooted without cleanly shutting down first and caused probably by crash or loss of power. And here we can see some other different type of events. So this is how it looks when the server crashes, and we filter on the event IDs. I will do the same with the event IDs. I will put them in the description so you can just paste them in here. Now let's do some Windows update and restart the server by doing the Windows updates, because that is of course a very common reboot of the server. So I will install these Windows updates and be back when they are installed. Alright, all the Windows updates are installed. Let's do a controlled restart right now. Right, we are back. Let's log in. Of course, we are not met with any unexpected reboot window, but we will do the same this time. We will open the event viewer by right-clicking on the start menu. Go to Windows Logs, System, Filter Current Log, and in here we will do a paste of the string we got with all the event IDs, and then hit OK. And here we can see the different event IDs, and about here the server rebooted, and here is a bit of a detail. It was operating system service pack planned. We can see that it says planned, and you can get an idea on when the server restarted. Alright guys, that was it for this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. See ya guys, bye bye.